This is D. Chandra, a BSc Electronics graduate from Chaitanya Bharati Degree College, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. After my degree, I selected embedded systems apart from VLSA for my future goal as an embedded software developer to start my career in core embedded company. Then my brother and sister suggested me to join the Embedded System Institute. I came from the poor background without any support from my father. Because of my sister's suggestion, I joined Indian Institute of Embedded Systems, Bangalore. There I met Chandra madam, who promised me to provide an embedded opportunity from the institute. As per my knowledge, no other institute supports BSc students rather than IIES. But I feel very lucky as I get into this institute to chase my future dream. After 6 months of hard training and support from the institute and this placement team of IIES, I got placed in a Srushty Global Solutions, Chennai. At IIES, I learned so many skills like C, C++, data structure, Python, shell scripting, operating system, microcontrollers like 8051 and LPC 1768, protocols like SPI, I2C, UART, SSP, automotives like CAN, and interfacing with sensors, Bluetooth, and I learned Linux, Ubuntu, and from the institute I got experienced trainers who helped me to gain the knowledge as per the industry standards. I would thank my sister for suggesting me to this institute, and I feel grateful to placement team and faculty members who supported me to get placed in a core embedded company. Thank you.